What's going on, everyone? Trent here at Rocky Mountain, here to show you how to put the plow mount onto the Polaris Xpedition models. Now, if you've got an Xpedition in your garage, with this being already fully cabbed and with the heater and everything from the factory, this is going to be a plowing machine. We have got the new Tusk plow mount on here to work with the Tusk SubZero Plow setup, and this is a super easy install, so let's get into it. So for parts with this kit, you've got all that you see here. You've got the plate, these bolts, and then you've got two different size spacers. Now you will want to note with the spacers, two of them are longer than the other four, and these two are going to go in the middle location. Now as far as tools go, this is going to be a super easy install. You just need one socket, which is a 15 millimeter. Start out by removing these four factory bolts. Grab your plow mount and start with the middle bolts and place the long spacers on the inside, lightly screwing these in for now. Then we'll do the top outside bolts with the shorter spacers on the inside. Next, go to the bottom of the mount and screw those in with their spacers as well. Now we can tighten everything down. You are now ready to install your plow. All right, so that does it for this installation. 4 OEM bolts is all you gotta remove, and then you're gonna install this plate with 6 bolts. Super easy install. To get your plow set up for your Xpedition this winter, jump on the link below or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com to find yours. As always, we offer free shipping on all orders over 75 bucks. So if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, and thanks so much for watching.